There's more to Open Access Helper than might meet the eye. What's obvious is what you get when you open the app. You can enter a search, either basic or advanced. Get a list of results from core.ac.uk, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, repositories for open access articles. And then navigate to the full text. You'll also see that there's a tab for bookmarks, which will be empty at first. And this is where the not so obvious use case come into play. Open Access Helper installs an extension to Safari on your mobile device. Whenever you hit a paywall, you can select the share icon and then Open Access Helper, and we'll query unpaywall.org and core.ac.uk for a legal open access copy and show that to you. If none is found, we'll offer to take you to openaccessbutton.org to request the author to make their work open access. Or you can view similar articles obtained from the core recommender. Lastly, when searching on an iPhone, you might not always want to read the PDF document, and in that case you can set a bookmark which will sync via iCloud to your other Apple devices, such as an iPad or your MacBook. All the features you've just seen also work on the iPad in exactly the same way, ensuring that you can easily go from one device to the other and get the right type of information and access to full text. Of course, it will work also in Safari. Again, tap the share icon, select Open Access Helper, and you will be able to see whether the document is available as an open access or not. And lastly, it will work on your Mac, where it is even more intuitive than on iPad and iPhone. As soon as you load a document, we will immediately indicate whether or not an open access version is available. In this case, the accepted version will be available to you with a click of a button. And in this case, you have the ability to request the document via Open Access Button, or to review a list of core recommender recommendations based on the metadata of this document. It's all very seamless. Last but not least, we have an application on macOS that will allow you to control the settings of this feature, but also to see the bookmarks which you might have set up on your iPad or iPhone. While Open Access Helper is just my hobby, I hope I was able to show you how, by combining iPhone, iPad, and your Mac, you will get a comprehensive suite of tools that will support your research. If you have questions, thoughts, and ideas, I would love to hear from you. info@oahelper.org.